Let us revise. Read aloud with proper sounds. A says A. Apple, aeroplane, axe. B says B. Balloon, bag, ball. C says C. Camera, candle, carom board. D says D. Dog, doll, den. E says E. Egg, eraser, elephant. F says F. Fish, frock, fan. G says G. Goat, grapes, girl, glass. H says H. Hut, hen, horse. I says E. Ink, igloo, ice cream. J says J. Jug, joker, jacket, jam. K says kite, kettle, cooking. L says L. Lion, leg, lemon. M says M. Mango, man, monkey. N says N. Nest, nut, nose, net. O says O. Orange, onion, oven. P says P. Purse, parrot, plate, pen. Q says Q. Queen, question mark, quail, quill. R says R. Road, rabbit, rose, room. S says S. Sun, soap, snake. T says T. Tiger, tomato, tea, tortoise. U says A. Umbrella, uniform, unicorn, utensils. V says V. Van, vase, vegetables. W says W. Water, wool, wall. X says X. Xmas tree, X-ray, xylophone. Y says Y. Yak, yarn, yacht. Z says Z. Zebra, zip, zoo.